Now that I've created Roads Demo Lecture 1, I have the option to edit it right up here. Clicking this Edit button only allows me to edit the data that I own. I can't go and edit the main E911 roads layer and send the ambulance off into the great beyond, but I can edit those things that I do own. So if I click on New Feature, it's given me the instructions here. Click to start drawing, press Control to enable snapping. So if I want to extend a road, so here's Jacob Road. Let's say I want to go right along the contour here and extend Jacob Road out to Route 11. Click once to start, click to continue drawing, and then double click to complete. So now, it's giving me the option to attach a file to that, which is curious, but that is that. So now that's done, and I can go back to details. I can change the way this is displaying by going to change style, and I have the options here. Change the style, I want that to be black. There we go, there's that. So now I've extended Jacob Road along the contour, so going neither up nor down in elevation, and I might have just put a road through my own backyard, but that's alright. So back to details, main E911 roads is now there. And it would have been better if I'd had that road layer turned on, because you can see the difference between where the 911 roads layer ends and this base map road layer ends. Should have connected those two. Oh well. So that is how you edit the new data layer.